Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, students? So today we already come to the 5th weeks. It means that we already passed almost a half of the total number of all the sessions. I hope you still have the spirit to do until the last week. Yeah, in this week you will have the second task, so don't forget to finish the previous task and do the second task on time. Yeah, in this week we will learn how to write a story or how to write narrative text based on the picture. So it will be narrative text and also descriptive text. And another one, we would like to learn how to write a sentence with obligations by using have to, have got to, must, and need to. Yeah, the first part, we will learn how to describe or write a narrative text based on the picture. When you want to write a descriptions based on the picture, you should look for the picture here. So please analyze or identify for the appearance, such as here the example is that Mona Lisa is the 16th century painting that made from oil and popular wood. So this one, from the physical appearance, you can tell about oil and also popular wood. So you can take from you can tell the readers on the physical appearance first. And the second one, you can describe about the expressions or the mimic of the pictures that appear on the painting. So if you want to describe another picture, you should first tell and describe on the physical appearance of the picture. Yeah, you can learn more about this one, by reading the explanations. And then the second one, when you want to write a sentence with obligations, you can use have to, have got to, must, and need to. The difference of the use of four part here is that when you use modal must, it defines about strong obligations or necessity, by the speaker. Or maybe you can also tell about certainty and the deductions in present. So it has the biggest percentage of the situation that will happen. When you use have to, it indicates strong obligations imposed by someone other than the speaker. So when you use must, it means it refers to you, the obligation by you as the speaker. Or in another version, if you use have to, have got to, and need to, it means that it is a strong obligation but by the other person. Or in the past tense, when you want to use must, you should write must plus have plus past participle or verb 3. And also have to, in the past tense, it becomes had to. You can read more about have to, have got to, must, and need to in this slide. Don't forget to do the first task and discussions and also the second task in this week. And we will see you again next time with another material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.